Fennel seeds, rich in nutrients and medicinal properties, are widely used for weight loss and overall health. In this video, we will discuss how fennel seeds help in weight loss and how to prepare fennel seed water at home. First, let's discuss health benefits of fennel seed water. Number 1. Fennel seeds help speed up metabolism, promoting the breakdown of fats in the liver, which aids weight loss. Number 2. It enhances digestion, reduces bloating, and prevents constipation. Number 3. Drinking fennel seed water reduces unnecessary cravings, making it easier to manage portion sizes. Number 4. Fennel seeds contains phosphorus, which improves bone and dental health. Number 5. It helps flush out toxins, promoting a healthier body and clearer skin. Number 6. Fennel seeds reduces symptoms of PMS, making the menstrual cycle more manageable. Number 7. It provides an energy boost and helps muscles recover faster after exercise. Number 8. Drinking fennel water regularly can help reduce blood pressure naturally. Number 9. Regular use helps with gradual weight loss, visible after consistent use for about a week. How to make fennel seed water. 2 tablespoons of raw fennel seeds. 1 liter of cold water. Soak the fennel seeds in 1 liter of cold water. Refrigerate overnight to let the nutrients infuse into the water. In the morning, strain the seeds and transfer the infused water to a bottle. Avoid using hot or boiling water, as this destroys many of the seed's nutrients. Overconsumption may lead to an upset stomach, so stick to the recommended amount. If you have specific health conditions, consult your doctor before adding fennel seed water to your routine. So it was all about my today's video. Thank you so much for watching.